Hi friends, welcome back to my course Power System Planning. In this course we are discussing the unit second. In the last videos we have discussed electrical forecasting. Forecasting means the prediction of the load for the future demand. Forecasting is the four types: long term, medium term, short term, very short term. In the long term, we forecast the load for 1 to 20 years. In the medium term, it is from 1 to 12 months. In the short term, for period 1 day to up to several days. In very short term, it is for 1 to few hours. Then we discuss what are the characteristics of the forecasting technique models. The model should be maintain the simplicity. It should be functional. It should be reproducible. Include a built-in uncertainty and also attempt to identify causality in all forecasting variables. Today we are going to discuss forecasting technique modeling. Different models and techniques that are used for performing the electrical load forecasting are presented. The specific application related to a time frame forecasting is also known in the relevant models. Forecasting models are generally classified in two types. First is the statistical based. Second is the artificial intelligence AI based. Statistically based. This method are widely used in many branches of forecasting. For electricity load forecasting under normal condition, these models can use, however, in change in environmental condition, these methods show worst result. In these method, variables that affected load patterns. Moreover, these techniques require a large number of complex relationships. The statistically based method are, for example, is regression based method. This is divided into three types: simple linear, polynomial, multiple regression. In simple linear regression, we assume the linear equation to fit the observed data and it uses one predictor. In the polynomial, the load variation is assumed to following the pth order polynomial model described. In the multiple regression problem, in general a non-linear problem, the problem can be simplified by assuming a linearized mode. Second is the artificial intelligence AI based models. AI based techniques were proposed to be implemented for load forecasting. However, due to the limitation in computer resources and the long processing time required, place an excellent barrier to efficient implementation. The drastic changes came as a result of advancement in computer technology and introduction of multi-purposing techniques in addition to the increased efficiency of software. These are the three types: artificial neural network, expert system, fuzzy logic systems. Artificial ANN method has been widely used as an electrical load forecasting technique. In short-term load forecasting (STLF), ANN methods are usually applied to perform non-linear curve fitting. It is also noted that for load forecasting problem, the input vector which feeds the input layer may include different parameters affecting the load such as temperature, humidity, and previously hours, daily, monthly, and yearly loads. The output vector for these cases of load forecasting can be estimated load or the dry time level. In the second is the expert system. Here the system incorporates tools and procedure used by human experts in the field of interest into software that is then able to automatically make forecasts without human assistance. Third is the fuzzy logic system. In load forecasting, fuzzy logic does not need precise models relating inputs and output and disturbances. The proper selection of rules and related logic of this method become robust when used for forecasting. An inverse process called the defuggilation fuzzy logic system can be applied for SLTF as well as for the long-term load forecasting. These are the references which are used for the making the second unit lecture notes. In the next video, we will discuss the third unit of power system planning. Thank you.